Hello there, welcome back to our new tutorial. Yes, so in this tutorial I'm just going to run a quiz, show you how the different score types work, how the results pop up, how to address different challenges that you may face as you're trying to run a quiz. It's an online based quiz, so of course in situations where, for example, internet may let you down, I'm going to show you the different solutions that you can undertake to ensure that you go through your session smoothly. Yes, so what I'm going to do at the moment, I'm just going to click play here so that we can try this quiz to play it. So yes, usually use this point to tell your participants to get ready for the new quiz to settle in. Yes, and basically to have their devices ready on them. Yes, when the clock runs down, yes, some people usually worry that maybe it's taking too long to start. Yes, you don't have to do anything there, just wait it out, it will always start. If it takes too long, just refresh the browser. So at this point, I'm going to try and answer this question, a living thing, for example. Yes, so if you notice there, as soon as I press, it automatically brings a pop-up, either green, and it has awarded me 3 points for passing that question. So this next question, the basic unit of structure and function in a living thing. For example, let me say it's DNA. So at the moment, yes, it shows red, and also here on the left it puts an X against my name, saying that I've failed this particular question. And goes to the next question, it removes that X and waits for me to answer this next question. Again, I've passed this one, so my points have been increased and it has awarded me with a tick. Yes, so this is how we answer this. So I'm going to, for example, if I go back, if I refresh this screen, it will show me for this particular quiz at the moment, I have 6 points, and also it tallies the overall points here at the top. So again, if I want to reset this quiz and remove all the marks, I can just go to reset. I reset this quiz, and yes, if you notice, it will remove all the marks that are associated and takes me back to 0. That's what that does. So we're going to try out another score type just to show you. For example, clock. And I'm going to update this. So yeah, you'll notice that it will add a little lightning icon, basically to show you that it's a clock based quiz. So I'm going to run this at the moment because I reset it to start from the beginning. Yes, I'm going to prepare myself as a participant to get ready to start, because the fact that I know that to get 5 points I have to answer within the first 5 seconds, that means as a participant I have to read very fast and yes, speak out my answer as fast as possible to get those 5 points. So a living thing, for example, if I answer A, yes, 5 points. Exactly. So to get those 5 points, I've basically answered before it hits 10 seconds here. That's the only way I can get those 5 points. So I'm going to show you on the next question. Of course, some questions require a lot of reading, so you may settle for 3 points or even 1 point, or even thinking. So for example, this one, the basic unit of structure and function in living things is it stimulus? Okay, I failed that one. We shall wait for the next one. Oh, definitely a cell. Yeah. Okay, any change or signal in the environment. So if you noticed, I answered after 10 seconds, so I got 3 points. Yes, I'm going to show you in the next one. When you answer when it's 5 seconds left, you only get 1 point, of course, if you pass. Okay, so this one's for typing. Yes, so just typing in my answer. Yes, so if I submit now, because I've submitted with 5 seconds left, I only managed to get 1 point. So that's how clock based points work. Okay, Let me see which other setting. Maybe we need to. Yes, so we also have incognito. Let me just show you that quickly. Let me update this. Yes, so incognito, if you notice, we have a small little ninja icon there. I'm just going to reset this quiz, start it from the beginning, and just show you how this works. So this is in situations where you don't want, for example, if I select my answer as A or B or C, I will not know if it's the correct answer until the time has run out. Again, this mode is used when you're trying to avoid plagiarism, situations where users may connive and use several devices to try and rig the system for success. With this mode, that is eliminated because all users will find out the correct answer at the end. So even if I press A here right now, nothing pops up on the screen to tell me whether I've passed or failed. As a user, on my screen, it just shows me that I've selected A. So at this point, I do not know how many points I have, but I can only find out, yes, after seeing what has been presented on the screen. If you also have your phone and you're in live mode, you'll be able to see at that point that the correct answer was A. So for example, this one again, if I select D, I'll not be able to again know whether I've passed or failed. Yes, the answer will be displayed for all of us at the end, and that's when we find out whether we've passed or failed. So this one is to, again, effect more fairness in the game, yes, and to eliminate any form of plagiarism. Yes, so the next thing I'm going to show you, again, I'll go back to settings. Let me remove incognito mode, put back basic. We are going to change this from points to fines. Then I'll make the fine maybe 10,000. If I update this, yes, let me also just make a small change. I can adjust maybe my time to 12 seconds. Let's just see how that, yes, changes things. Let me reset my quiz. Yes, so it will show you a money icon here as well, showing you that this quiz is for money. So if I click play here again, I'll wait for my countdown to start. As I wait to start. Again, if you want to make the screen full, you just click this little clock icon. You just click it once, and again to collapse it, click it again. Yes, so we are going to start our money quiz. So again, this one is for fundraising and fines. So if I fail this, for example, and I put D, it will show me that I've failed, and it will update me here with my 10K. So even on my phone, it will show me that, boss, that I'm being demanded 10,000 Ugandan shillings. Again, next question, if I pass this, for example, if I select D, it will show me that I've passed and it will not increment on my fine. Yes, so I'll remain on 10,000. So this one is a very simple thing. Again, users can keep playing up to the end. Once you're done, you can be able to see all the money that is being demanded from the different participants. Again, for example, if I fail this, my amount increases to 20,000. So that's what this fines mode does. Yes, so if I go back and I just refresh my screen, yes, if I look here, there's a button that says show fines. So I'll be able to click this and see all the different fines that have been awarded. So yes, I can see your CEO, it's 20,000, SEC member 20,000, quorum 20,000. Now you're probably wondering, but these two are not participating. How come they've been fined? The system has been designed that way, such that anyone who's added to the system, rather to the session, and they refuse to participate for whatever reason, yet they accept it to be added, and they don't answer each question that passes, they are fined 20,000 shillings. Yes, so that's what this does. Exactly. Yes, so that's what the money round does. Let me also just show you, if I make this a bonus round, if I refresh my screen again, this will go back to 0 because it will deem this as a bonus round and it will not accumulate its marks to the overall. So that's what that does. Okay. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video where we shall talk about more things. Thank you.